Today at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles, we have a used Indian Scout. So it does come with a lot of cool accessory features on it. It does have LED front and rear turn signals with smoke lenses, an Indian Daymaker type headlight, extended Z bars with extended cables, some M1 extended mirror reaches, some different grips on there, aftermarket engine guard bars along with the floorboards. It does have Shorty Vance and Hine pipes on it already installed, a rider lumbar support, not one but two luggage racks, and then a nice probably 16-inch sissy bar. Currently in stock here at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles. Give us a call. Number here is going to be 951-460-4222.